Good morning, students. Yesterday we learned about two-digit numbers which are multiplied by one digit, that is 1, 2, 5 up to 10 table. Today we are going to learn that is three digits are multiplied by one digit number, that is 7, 2, 6, 4, 9, 8, any number. First of all, it is in the exercise 3.3 which is given in your book, that is multiply. In multiply, first question is 135 multiplied by 7. It means you have to multiply these three numbers by 7. Now we go for multiplication. That 7 5s are, if you know tables, then automatically you can write it easily. Then 7 5s are, it is 35. 5 here is 3 carry. Then 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3, it is 24. Again 2 carry. Then 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 2, it is 9. Like this you can multiply the numbers if it is given in 3 digits. Now the second one, here we have to multiply by 2. 413 is multiplied by 2. Then we have to go for table number 2, that is second table. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Here we have to go for first ones place, then tens place, then hundred place. First we have to multiply with ones place number, that we put in under ones place, and second it is tens place, then again we have to put the answer in second place. Then third one is hundred place, where we have to multiply it and the answer will come under the same place value, that is hundreds. In the same way we have to multiply all these sums, that is 4 7s are 28. Here 28, we have 28. 28 means one number will come here 8, again it is 2, 2 will be carried here. Now it is 0, here it is 4. 4 into 0, whatever number we have to multiply with 0, then the number will be 0. Automatically the number will be 0. If we multiply any number with 0, the answer will be, result will be 0. Then simply 0 plus 2. Whatever we do, the carried number will be added with the product, that is whatever number comes here, by multiplying this, the number will be added with the carried number. Then here 4 into 0, it is 0. 0 plus 2, it is 2. Then we have to put 2 here. Then 4 2s are 8. Like this, whenever we get 0, then simply the simple thing is the carried number must be written in the place wherever we got 0. Now third one, fourth one, 6 7s are 42, 4 carried. Then 6 6s are 36. 36 plus 4, it is 40. Then again 4 carry. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 4, it is 52. Like this we multiply the numbers. Now 12th one, 9 8s are 72. 7 is carried. Then 9 9s are 81 plus 7, it is 88. Then it is carried 8. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 8, 53. This is the answer. Now I hope you must understood on your level. You are able to do the remaining questions in 3.3. Now we move for 3.4. Exercise 3.4. In 3.4 we have to find the product. Find the product. Now before we go to exercise, I must want to say something about this topic, that is, first of all we have get that answer questions, that is 75 into 10. Second one is 387 into 10. Then third one 23 into 100. Then fourth one 38 into 100. Then fifth one 4 into 1000. Now, before we going to solve these questions, I want to say something about this question. Here it is given as 10. Here it is also again 10. Here it is 100. And here it is 100. And here it is 1000. The place of multiplying is increased by 1 by 1. That is, first of all it is tens, then it is hundreds, then it is thousands. Here simply what we do, that there is a 0 before all the numbers. Here 1 0, it is 1 0, here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, here 3 zeros. So we have to multiply the number which is given to multiply by this number. Simply we have to multiply the number by 1, that is 75, 1 ja 75. Then we have this 0, we have to put this 0 simply. What it is going to do, that 75 1 ja 75. Again the 0 must be there. We have to put that 0 before the number. Understood? हमें क्या करना है, जैसे यहाँ पे 75 into 10 दिया हुआ है, तो 10 में 0 तो है ही, इस 0 को हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है, इस 0 को 0 वैसे ही लगा रखना है और 1 से नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, जिससे अगर कोई भी नंबर, if any number, the number will be multiplied by 1, the number will not change its identity and it will be same as it is. So अगर हम 1 से कोई भी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो जैसा लिखा हुआ है वैसा ही रहेगा, उसमें कोई भी डिफरेंस या चेंज नहीं होगा. उसी तरीके से इन द सेम वे 387 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 387, देन दिस 0 विल बी हियर. सिंपली इट इज 3870. नाउ हियर 23 into 100. यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे हमने देखा 1 0, यहाँ पे 2 0 से, तो सिंपली 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करो 23, देन पुट डबल 0 एंड अगेन 38. Here again we have to 38 1 ja 38, again double 0, and simply the fifth one here 4 into 1000. 1000 means 3 zeros. 1000 means 3 zeros. then here it is one number, then 4 1 ja 4, then again we have to put 3 zeros before that number. यहाँ पे क्या करना है, पहले 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, उसके बाद में वहाँ पे नंबर 0 लगाना है, यहाँ पर भी वही 0 लगाना है, यहाँ पे डबल 0 दिया हुआ है तो डबल 0 लगाना है, यहाँ पे डबल 0 दिया हुआ है तो यहाँ डबल 0 लगाना है, यहाँ पे ट्रिपल 0 दिया हुआ है तो यहाँ पे ट्रिपल 0 लगाना है. तो उसी तरीके से अगर सपोज वी थिंक दैट इफ द नंबर विल बी चेंज्ड एज आई शो नाउ, that is question number 8, that is 40 into 50, 40 into 50. तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है, 0 का 0, फिर 5 0 0, 5 4 जा 20, 0 का 0 रखा गया, इस 0 का यहाँ 0 रख दिया हमने, फिर इस 40 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करा तो 5 0 0, 5 4 जा 20, तो आंसर हुआ 2000. लाइक दिस द सेकंड 9th क्वेश्चन इज 10th क्वेश्चन इज 46 into 400, 46 into 400. यहाँ पे हंड्रेड्स में है लेकिन प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ हंड्रेड्स विल बी चेंज. या ऊपर वाले हमने देखा था 1 है, यहाँ पे हम में लिखा है 4, तो द गिवन नंबर विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 4, देन सिंपली पुट डबल 0 विच एवर गिवन इन द मल्टीप्लिएंड एंड 4 6 जा 24, 2 carry, 4 4 ja 16, 16 plus 2 it is 18. Like this we can multiply the number easily. Now the another question is 12 into 800. 12 into 800. हियर हमें क्या करना है, डबल 0 वैसे ही लगाना है, फिर 12 8 2 जा 16, 1 कैरी, 8 1 जा 8, 8 plus 1 9. So the answer will be 9600 or 9600. Like this the remaining questions will be for you as a homework. You do it in the home and practice them. Now we are going to exercise 3.5, that is based on properties, that is based on properties. Three 3.5 without actual multiplication, fill in the following blanks. The question will be without actual multiplication, fill in the following blanks. Fill in the following blanks. First question is 48 into 48 into dash equals 23 into 48. 23 into 48. अब हमें यहाँ देखना है, here we have to see that here it is given 48, here we have 48. Now the left number is this one, the left number is 23, then simply transfer it here only, that is 23. Like this you can fill the blanks easily by seeing the numbers before and after, or by seeing that property that is given in the question. It means it is a commutative property. Then second one, 67 into 28. 67 into 28 equals 28 into dash. Then simply we have to write it here, that is 67. Because the 28 is already given, the left number is 67, you have to write this in the blank. Now third one is 76, the same way. Now we go for fifth one question. Fourth one, that is 283 into dash equals 283. Now here we have the numbers, that is 283 here and here also. Now if we multiply with any number, then we have to get the same number, that is 283. When we get the same number without any change, that is 1. By multiplying 1 with any number, it will give the same result that whatever the number we have to multiply, that is 1. By multiplying with 1, the number will not change its identity, so we have to put here number 1. Now the fifth question is 870 into 1 equals dash. Here 870 is multiplied by 1, then the number will be same. 870 into 1, number will be same. Now the question 7, 6, that is 392 into 0. 392 into 0 equals dash. There is a one thing, that is if we multiply any number with 0, if we multiply any number with 0, the result or the product is only 0. When it is a number of 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit or 2 digits or 1 digit, if we multiply the number with 0, then we get only 0. So we have no chance to change it, because 0 will have its only value of 0. That is, if we have 0 with any number, then number will be changed. But if we have multiplied the number with 0, then answer will be only 0. यहाँ हमें क्या करना है कि जो कोई भी नंबर हम 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तो वो नंबर सिर्फ 0 ही आएगा, उसमें कोई भी नंबर लिखा नहीं जाएगा। इन द सेम वे वी हैव टू गो फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, दैट इज 6 into 8 into 9, 6 into 8 within bracket into 9 equals 6 into 8 into 9, that is within bracket. Now here there is a dash, so अब हमें देखना है यहाँ पे, ये है इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी, इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन एसोसिएटिव, यानी यहाँ पे जो एसोसिएशन है 6 इज एसोसिएटिव टू 8 एंड 8 इज एसोसिएटिव टू 6। उसी तरीके से यहाँ पे देखना है, अगर इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो सेम आएगा और यहाँ पे भी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो सेम आएगा। तो यहाँ पे 6 दिया हुआ है, देन 9 दिया हुआ है, बचा हुआ नंबर है 8, तो simply we have to write it here 8. It is based, this sum is based on associative property of the multiplication. Now the question number 10, that is 10 into 20 sorry 5 into 20 plus 3, 5 into 20 plus 3 equals 5 into dash plus 5 into 3. अगर इस क्वेश्चन में हम देखते हैं तो ये है, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी। ये जो सम है ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी के आधार पर दिया हुआ है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी। इसमें हम मल्टीप्लिएंट नंबर को 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं और उसे प्लस में लेते हैं। द नंबर विल बी इन 2 पार्ट्स, दैट इज 23 मीन्स 5 into 23 it will be 20 plus 3. Then we have to write it here, that is 5 into 3 is already given, 5 into 3 is already given. Now the left number is 20, then 5 into 20. Here we have to write it as 20. Like this you must do the remaining questions of 3.5. Now we go for, that is exercise 3.6. Multiply. Here we have to multiply by, up to this we have multiplied the numbers with 1 digit, that is 1 to 10. Now we are going to multiply by 2 digits numbers. First question, 95 into 53. 95 into 53. Now we have to multiply the above number with this 2 numbers, with these 2 numbers. First we have to multiply by 3, then 5. So to do simple it, to make it simple, we have to go for place value method, that is into 53. Now first one is 95 into 3. Then second one is 95 into 50. Now 3 5 ja 15, 1. Then 3 9 ja 27, 27 over 1, 28. It is done. Now we have to put 0 here. Why? It is, we have before 5 we have 0, that the 0 will be put here. Then 5 5 ja 25, 2, 5 9 ja 45 plus 2, 47. Now we have to add it, that is 5, 13, 10, 5. Like this we must multiply the 2-digit numbers with 2 digits. Simply we multiply this, and the second one is 78 into 68. Sixth question, 78 into 68. Here again we have 2 digits. That first one is 78 into 8. Then second one is 78 into 60. Now 8 8 ja 64, 6, 8 7 ja 56 or 6, 62. Next 0. Then 6 8 ja 48, 4, 6 7 ja 42, 42 4, 46. Then 4, 10, 13, 5. Like this you must do the sums from 3.3, 3.4, 3.5 and 3.6. Now I will stop this chapter here only. Tomorrow we will discuss about the division. Tomorrow we must discuss about division.